Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are in the city of Seaside, California, and we have a 10 by 32 prefab ADU that we're going to be delivering and installing. I know that you guys, the majority of the time, you guys see tiny home on wheels, but we are doing ADUs now on a concrete slab in California. So if you guys are interested too in a prefab ADU, you guys can let us know. We do everything from the home, the utilities, the dealing with the city, basically everything. All you have to do is place your order and then the home is delivered to you and installed. So we'll have more details on that on the description, or you guys can give us a call or visit our website. But I'm gonna be showing you guys what's going on, what's gonna be going on today, right? So here's the units. I'm gonna be showing you guys the inside once we install it on the slab. But we did design this special trailer to be transported with the unit. And putting the ADU there. We're gonna trim a little bit of the tree from there too, that way it doesn't get in the way. But so far everything's looking good. We should have this ADU installed in no time. So we are trying to back it up here already. You guys can see one of the issues we're having is actually the dirt right here on the bottom. There's been a lot of rain, so it's the dirt is very moist still and wet, and it's been raining this morning as well too. So you guys can imagine the difficulty it is right now to go through it. So we have a crew there, have the pickup truck over there, you guys can see. And the whole idea and the plan is to get it here, and then we have this special lift that we built in-house. You see that we're gonna set up. Let me kind of back up a little bit. So this is what it's looking like right now. It almost looks like the house is going to fall. Is it gonna fall? I don't know. Maybe. I hope not. I don't think so. We deal with a lot of situations all the time. The main thing is to find a solution and install the home.